So hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we are gonna learn something more in Flutter. Basically what we are gonna do is we are gonna learn something about the web view. Okay, that how we can implement the web view in our Flutter project. Okay, so what is web view? Web view is a process in which we can view a website in our Flutter project. Okay, so let's start. So before starting the web view part, you have to include a dependency, that is go to your pubsec.yaml file and just include this widget, this dependency, that is flutter underscore webview underscore plugin, and give the latest version. Okay, so you have to just type this dependency and click on the get package. Okay, so it will just include the dependencies of the webview plugin. Okay, so let me tell you one thing, that webview is not integrated widget tree. It is a native view on the top of Flutter view, so that is, you cannot use the material designs items like drag snack bar and dialog boxes. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive right into it. So firstly we have to import the package, that is material.dart. Okay, and after that what we have to do, after including dependency for the web view, we have to import the uh, flutter web view, flutter web view plugin. Okay, so after that what we will do, that we will create a void main, and this will have the run app and it have be my app. Okay, come on, yeah. And after that what we will do, we will create a stateless class. Okay, its name will be my app, and in this container it will it will not be container, it will be the material app. Yeah, and in this material app what we will do, we'll give the title as webview demo. Okay, and after that we will give a checked mode banner as the false, false, and after that we will give the home as home. Okay, and now we will create a stateful widget, and in this stateful we will give the name home. Okay, so this is done. Okay, now we will just minimize this, and here in our previous app we have done that we have to create a scaffold here, but now what we will do, we will create the web view scaffold. Okay, web view scaffold. Okay, this is similar to the scaffold that we use, that is we have a app bar. Okay, this app bar will have something like title. Okay, and title will have a text, and this will be web view demo. Okay, and in a similar way, let me give it a action widget like icon buttons. Yeah, icon button, and it will have icon as icon bracket icons dot, let me give the notification. Yeah, and after that sorry copy paste, and we will give it the search here. Okay, so you can see that we have done with our app bar. Now what we will do, we will create a URL. Okay, URL will call the website that we want to call. Okay, so let us create something like we want to call the Google. Okay, So the Google's website is www.google.com. Okay, and after that what we will do, initial child will contain uh, uh, center widget here, and in that center widget we will have a child and it will show the circular progress indicator here. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so let us just run this app. Okay, basically this is done. Let me just run it. This video might be a small video as compared to my previous ones, but it will show you how you can include the Webview. So let me just enable the developer option in my mobile phone. Okay, developer mode on, developer. Okay, now let me connect. Okay, just wait for, yeah, you can see that the device has been connected. Okay, so let me just run the app. Okay, come on. Let me run it. Yeah, so it will initialize the project, it will resolve the dependency, and after that it will install the APK in my phone. Okay, and guys, if the code runs successfully, okay, then the code of this project will be uploaded in my GitHub repository. Okay, the link of the GitHub repository is given down in the description, so please go and check it out. Okay, and there are many projects related to UI kits. Okay, you can just go and use them, and you can please join our Facebook page, Code Cave. The link of the page will be given in description. Okay, so let's wait for our app to build. It will not take much time as the Gradle is syncing. Okay, it will just build the APK, and after that it will install the APK in my phone. Just wait for a few seconds. And guys, if you have any question or any problem regarding Flutter or any of the widgets or anything in Flutter, Dark, Java or Android, just feel free to ask me in the comment section, and I will definitely write down in the comment box that is answer of that question as soon as possible. Okay, so just wait for the app to be built. So as you can see, the APK has been built and it's installing in my phone. So just wait for a few seconds and it will install and sync the files with my laptop, and after that we will view the result. Okay, so now it will just sync the files. Yeah, and after that it will show the result. Okay, so you can see the web view. Okay, and in the web view we are not getting the icons. Okay, so let it be, but you can see that you are capable of using the web view. Okay, so you can use it as a mini browser. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel and also share it to your friends. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.